The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. A, B, C, D.
Barry Jackson is a single dad to his daughter, beautiful, busy Mariah.
I don't know how I do it some days. I'm chasing behind her. Okay, wait for Daddy. And I thank God every day for her.
But this young family's life has not always been a walk in the park. When Mariah was born, she became a ward of the state and placed in foster care. The culprit? Both parents' addiction.
I was addicted to crack cocaine for a number of years, as well as alcohol. It really just about any drugs I could get my hands on, but mostly it was alcohol and crack cocaine.
Barry's addiction cost him plenty. He wasn't in contact with Mariah's mother when she was born. He was homeless before finding his way into treatment.
After being there 60 days, I got a call that I had a child. And so I wasn't expecting her. And it was right around Christmas time. She was born on the 14th. I met her for the first time on the 15th. Just at first sight, I fell in love with her. And I just made a commitment, which I'd already changed my life around, but I just made a commitment that I wanted to definitely better myself for her.
Barry found his future in a courtroom. But it's a courtroom that's more about treatment than penalty. King County's Family Treatment Court.
Parents opt in to family treatment court because they have an addiction problem and they need extra support around that, and they want to be reunited with their kids.
To get parents into services, to get them stabilized, to get that environment safe so the children can go home. Because even with the best run department, we know from the research the best place to raise a child is within the family.
So you understand that as a part of the family drug court, you need to remain drug and alcohol free. That's what we're about. You also understand that you'll be drug tested on a much more regular basis. This is your team, all right? This team is here to help you. This team is here to support you. This team is where you reach out to when it goes bad.
The team is a group of attorneys, social workers, treatment providers, and child advocates.
So we talk about how are they doing in their chemical dependency treatment. Are they going to their groups? Are they going to their one-on-ones? Are they making progress? Are they working on the issues that brought them into the system in the first place?
It's good for her to be able to stay there, but she's got to be clean.
We could call her case first, and then we could call her back at the end after she's had some time to think about it.
Families really need a consistent message, really need goals and things that they can strive for, and a team that's helping them get there.
Well, you know, I hear when things are going well, you're a pretty good mom.
Yeah.
You have a dirty?
Yes, I have a dirty way. I believe it's from the day before I left the treatment. I had a going away party, and I see now it affected everything.
That can't be the answer. I want these kids to go home and stay home, which means you've got to get to the bottom of it, right?
Yeah.
So how are we going to do that?
I believe staying with my kids would be the best thing for me. It means I'd be working harder on staying sober.
So we say, we're going to give you the benefit of the doubt, all right? We're going to say it was residual, which means I need another UA, right? If it's clean, then we're going to go marching forward. If it's not, we'll have another discussion. Okay?
But one voice, and that voice is coming from the judge about either it's congratulations or it's instructions or it's admonition or whatever it is. It's one consistent voice, and it works.
Here's what I heard about you this morning. First of all UAs are still clean.
Yeah.
Y'all get them up.
It's not just about clapping and saying, yes, you're doing great, when you're really not. It's about delivering that tough message in a way that allows the person to feel safe and come back the next week.
She looks fabulous. And you do. You look healthy and radiant, and this is wonderful. As hard as you have worked, you are entitled to cry. Okay? We'll all cry with you on graduation day, okay?
Families often graduate from the program after 18 months to 2 years if they've maintained sobriety, completed services, and proven they can provide a stable environment for their children.
If we can make it safe, baby can go home.
Mr. Jackson's case was dismissed April 2011.
18 months after Mariah's birth, her dependency case was dismissed, and she was permanently placed with her dad.